This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase your MacBook Air. Before you begin wiping your device, it is crucial to prepare it properly. First, ensure all your important data is backed up, either to an external drive or a cloud service like iCloud. Next, sign out of all your Apple accounts, including iCloud, iTunes, and iMessage, to protect your personal information. Finally, deauthorize any licensed software and unpair any connected Bluetooth accessories. Now, let's erase the startup disk. Restart your MacBook Air and immediately press and hold the Command and R keys until you see the Apple logo. This boots your Mac into recovery mode. From the Utilities window, open Disk Utility. Select your main hard drive, usually called Macintosh HD, and click Erase. Choose either Apps or Mac OS Extended Journaled as the format, then confirm to securely wipe all data from the drive. Once the disk is erased, you'll need to reinstall Mac OS. Close Disk Utility to go back to the main Mac OS Utilities menu. Here, select Reinstall Mac OS and click Continue. Follow the prompts to begin installing a fresh copy of the operating system. This process can take some time, so make sure your MacBook Air is plugged into power and has a stable internet connection throughout the installation. To finalize the reset, once Mac OS is reinstalled, you will see the Setup Assistant. Do not proceed with setting up the Mac. Instead, press Command+Q on your keyboard and then choose to shut down your MacBook Air. This leaves the device in an out-of-box state, just like it was when new. Your MacBook Air is now completely erased and ready for its next owner, ensuring your personal data is secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.